Hi, my name is Lavi, and I'm about to show to you one of the biggest threats of water pollution. Plastic is everywhere in your home, your office, your school, and your ocean. These plastics come in many different forms. Just think about all the plastic items you use daily. The toothbrush you grab first thing in the morning, the container your lunch comes in, or the bottle you drink water from after your workout. All these things get used and eventually thrown out. Many of these plastic products are single use items and discarded after use. Because it is not easily degraded, plastic waste is fast becoming a widely recognized long-lasting threat to the environment. If this waste isn't properly disposed of or managed, it can end up in the ocean. Every year, about 8 million tons of plastic waste escapes into the oceans. That's the equivalent of setting 5 garbage bags full of trash on every foot of the coastline around the world. Once in the ocean, it is difficult, if not impossible, to retrieve plastic waste. Because it takes plastics 500 to 1,000 years to degrade and they never completely break down, all plastics created since 1907 still exist. Some plastics break down into microplastics and drifts throughout the ocean, which are virtually impossible to recover. Fish, birds, and crustaceans aren't the only marine organisms affected by plastic pollution. Coral reefs are one of the most endangered habitats on Earth, and the threat of climate change and bleaching are already bad enough. A new study finds that plastic debris makes corals more vulnerable to potentially fatal diseases. So, what can one do to help protect the marine life, especially the coral reefs? Let us recycle our trash at home and on the go, especially plastic, and remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. There are several sustainable existing methods that anyone can always follow. When disposing of trash, do it properly in bins. Using reusable grocery store bags and containers, giving up plastic straws, segregation of recyclable and non-recyclable wastes, never burn plastics or garbages, avoid products with tiny plastic particles called microbead because these plastic debris has a direct effect on the development of disease by causing physical damage to coral tissue. Remember, our planet is our home, the place that sustains us. However, not everybody knows that we are in the final period of a crucial decade. As individuals of the youth, whether through small actions or larger initiatives, we have the potential to make a difference, all from starting your own initiative, such as volunteering with environmental organizations that are available across the globe and that anyone can get involved with. Rather than throwing everything in the trash, it is best to save resources by putting them to reuse and also to recycle more often. Another is by doing simple things like taking shorter showers, avoiding small laundry washes which may save gallons of water. When buying a product, be aware of its environmental impact and disposal after use. The important of all is to learn and educate the younger generation.